guys, how's it going? Matt here again. So one of the most important things that we deal with on a daily basis is what to use for your chain. The chain is always looked over and always forgotten a lot of times. We carry a variety of products. We have chain wax, chain lube. They both work in the same way, but both have a different way of applying. Also, chain cleaner. You always want to clean the chain every time you wax it or before you lube it. We also have a chain cleaner here. It's always important to use, all right? Gets down to the chain. Applications are different when using each different kind of lube, all right? But it also still is personal preference. Applications is usually best chain wax for sport bikes and a wet lube mostly used for dirt bikes. So before you lube or wax your chain, the most important thing to do is to clean the chain. We have a few products we carry. They all work fantastic, but you want to use chain cleaner. Don't use WD-40. Why? Because it wears the O-rings and your chain life goes away a lot quicker. What you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to spray all over the chain. All right, let it sit for just a little bit. Then once you let it sit, take your grunge sponge and just scrub the heck out of your chain all over. Don't be shy. That'll get down inside the O-rings, get all the dirt, get all the crud out, and be ready to put on the chain lube and wax after. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, come on down to Barney's of St. Pete. We are right here on Gandy Boulevard across the street from the dog track. Come see me, Matt, at Barney's of St. Pete, and you guys have a good one.